This is a tutorial video on how to download and install the Mobridge Update software wizard. This particular laptop currently does not have any version of the Mobridge wizard installed, and we will install it by going to the mobridgeinc.com homepage. On the homepage, on the right hand side, we see a Update Wizard download link. We click this link. We see that the latest version of the wizard is 1.1.7. We click this link, click run. We wait for the wizard to download onto your laptop. As soon as that's finished, click run, click next. Where do you want to locate the wizard? Just click next. This asks you if you want to install the driver for the Mobridge developer cable. This is the Motul cable. If you don't install the driver for the developer cable, it means the first time you use the cable, you will have to install the driver. The wizard will actually automatically go out and find the driver if you're connected to the internet the first time you use the cable, but we do recommend just clicking yes and installing the driver right now. It makes it just easier later on. Proceed. So while this installs, I'll pause the video and then we'll resume as soon as installation completes. During the Mobridge wizard installation process, we get a pop-up window that says the wizard helps you install the software drivers some computer devices need in order to work. We just keep clicking next. And we see a couple of the drivers that is installing. Click finish. Installation's complete. Click close. And now if we go to the start menu, under all programs, we should see a Mobridge folder. And we open that up, we see the Mobridge Update Wizard. And we see it says version 1.1.7. It is a good idea to restart your computer